guys, it's Jen, and today I'm going to be creating a natural eye look for you using our Tartelette in Bloom palette. More of a natural eye because many of us aren't really going places right now, so I wanted to create something that's very wearable given the circumstances. So I'm going to be using this shade right here called Sweetheart in my crease and along my lower lash line. Please excuse my palette, it is so messy because it's been loved. I use this palette all the time, so it is extra loved. Now I'm just going in with a soft, fluffy blending brush and applying this right into my crease. This is a quick and easy way to add definition and shape to your eyelid. Now I'm going to bring it down along the lower lash line as well. I just feel like it warms up the entire eye area. I really, really love this shade. I think it's just perfect. This whole palette has such gorgeous earthy tones, but also a couple shimmers that are really fun and just help open and brighten the eye area. Now, taking a flat shadow brush, I'm going to pick up a little of this matte ivory shade called Charmer, and we're going to apply this all over our lid, softly bringing it to meet that shade Sweetheart in the crease. If you're someone that has hooded eyes, this is a great technique to give that illusion and really open up the entire eye area. Looks. Alright, now we're going to pick up a flat angled brush and we're going to go into this charcoal shade right here called Smoke Show, and we're going to use this to line our lash line softly. This is a great way to line the lash line if you're someone who's not strong with a pencil liner or a liquid pen liner. This is a great alternative for you. Outer corner. I think it creates this like doughy-eyed illusion and makes your lashes look so much thicker and fuller once the mascara's on. I like to apply just on that outer corner. Now before I move on to the next product, I just want to do a couple more sensorial taps. Okay. Now I'm going to top my lashes off with a couple coats of my favorite Light Skimmer Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. This mascara lengthens, curls, conditions, and volumizes your lashes. How are you all liking videos. I hope you're finding them comforting, calming, and somewhat like soothing. I started getting into ASMR about 6 months ago. I am 7 months pregnant, and the first month I was having so much trouble sleeping, and I came across this ASMR artist called Lottie Loves ASMR, and she's on YouTube. She has this English accent, and when she whispers, it's like so calming, so relaxing, and she truly puts me to sleep like instantly. So I am very thankful I found her, because without her I don't know if I'd be sleeping the way I am now. But she really inspired me to do these types of videos, and I was like, hopefully you could find mine to be somewhat peaceful and calming as well. Let me know in the comment section what you're thinking. But yeah. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this easy, quick tutorial. I just